Good evening. Today is April 18, 2024 Thursday, and here are the 7 p.m. SL Visayas result today for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandawi City. Here are the SLs for 3 7 p.m. draw result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for April 18, 2024 Thursday. Here are the SLs for 3 7 p.m. draw result for Mandawi City under Piana Trading Supply Corporation for Thursday, April 18, 2024. Thank you for watching this 7 p.m. video for evening of April 18, 2024, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.